Something somewhere just took a big bump.
Yeah.
Sounded awfully close to Emperland.
Come on, guys. Let's pick up the pace.
This is our moment, Bill.
Okay.
Adapt or die, my friend.
Adapt? There's no telling what we might become.
Fine. Be a plankton muncher all your life.
That's what we are. We're omnivores. We eat veggies.
Right. So everyone else can eat us. Well, I, for one, am not prepared to be on the menu any longer.
Where you going?
I'm moving up the food chain.
The food chain?
I'm gonna go draw something to have a face.
I don't remember this.
Yeah.
Well, you know, things always look different on the way back.
Well, I guess we'll just have to go all the way around.
But Emperland is straight ahead. So why not go over that?
No, this way is better.
But shortcuts are shorter.
Not always. Now, come on, it's not that far. Guys, stop! Eric, I said stop! All right. Well, keep going, but take it nice and slow. And let's say we don't look down, okay?